Hey, I'm at GTC and I've been working with OpenClaw. I've been following the DGX Spark playbook using a Lenovo ThinkStation, and we've been working through it. Now, the playbook is pretty straightforward, but OpenClaw is changing fast. So there are a few changes in the playbook that aren't up to date yet. But otherwise, it's worked pretty smoothly. So the first step was installing OpenClaw on your DGX Spark. I did that following the curl statement here. The second step was completing the onboarding. Now, there's a bunch of steps in here, but there's actually more in the current install than what they're listing here. But mostly I followed the process and just kind of skipping things. The additional steps I noticed, for example, there's more hooks than the three they recommend. You also have another step where you select a search provider um, that they don't mention, um, as well as you have to provide an API token for that search provider. But you could do the skip. Um, and then finally you hit finish. Then you have to choose and install a local LLM out back end. I went with a llama. That does take a while to install. I think it takes, we're using, it's been over 30 minutes, so it's probably about an hour to install that. So just keep that in mind. That takes a while. Once you've done that, well, actually, what I did was I went with the 128 gigabyte GPT OSS 120 billion. That's what's taking so long. Gives you the best accuracy, but it's a big model, so it takes a while. Um, and then you get to in these, and then you get to step five. And I'm about to get to step five in a few more minutes. So I will let you know in another video how it goes on step five. Thanks for watching this first little video.